lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite new recipe. It's creamy tomato salmon pasta. It is absolutely fantastic and you have that creamy sauce with a hint of white wine. So let's get started. First, you are going to chop the shallot and garlic. Then slice thinly the salmon and also cut the cherry tomatoes into half. In a large pan, add a nice log of olive oil, add the chopped shallot and garlic, then fry on medium heat for about 1 minute. Add the salmon and turn the heat up to high. Cook until they are no longer pink. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and stir well. You may break the salmon, but that's not a problem. Add the tomatoes and give a little stir. Pour our white wine together with vegetable stock into the pan and just allow to simmer until that liquid is reduced in half. Pour the heavy cream in, then let it sit on a low heat for a couple minutes so the flavors get incorporated into the cream. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Then give that a quick stir. Before I've cooked some fresh tagliatelle pasta, but you can replace it with any type what you have one in hand. Add the pasta into the pan and toss until all nicely coated. At this point, I'm gonna chop some fresh parsley and dill, then sprinkle over the pasta. I'm gonna give a final mix through, and in a matter of minutes, I have a beautiful pasta dish which is ready to be served. There you have it, a delicious pasta dish is perfect for summer months. If you want the recipe, check out in the link below over my website LoveThatBite.com. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, take a like, and let me know how do you like it by commenting below. I'll see you next time. Bye!